NFT's upswing is finally here! Solana is an excellent alternative to Ethereum and OpenSea since you can make a lot of money trading and selling NFTs. Furthermore, Solana is a good choice for new NFTs and play-to-earn games because of the low gas charge and quick transactions. One of Solana's strengths is its ability to design scalable and resilient projects that can be expanded on as the roadmap evolves. So what are the best Solana NFT projects to keep an eye on? But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Crypto Talks, where we discuss cryptocurrency and all you need to know in the world of finance. And we're back with another incredible video, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. In this video, we will be talking about the best Solana NFT projects that are worth investing in. Right now, the NFT's hype machine is in full swing. Even though there are many promising emerging innovations, Solana is renowned as the world's most potent and fastest blockchain, with thousands of applications ranging from DeFi and NFTs to Web3 and more. Because of Solana's convenience and low gas costs, investors have been flocking to the area in recent years to purchase NFTs. This year's total NFT sales on Solana has already reached $1 billion. As a result, what are some projects you should try your hand at? We have arrived at that info. If you want to see the best projects on Solana, you'll have to stick around for just a bit. Transdimensional Fox Federation is first on our list. The famous Fox Federation is the ancestor of this series. On the Solana blockchain, the famous Fox Federation is a collection of 7,777 NFTs randomly produced and stylistically generated. There is no maximum time limit on how long foxes can be staked. In the long run, each staked fox generates Foxy tokens. As soon as they are claimed, you will be able to use these utility tokens in future coins, Fox iterations, and a bevy of other features. Galactic Geckos Space Garage will be discussed now. There are 10,000 space racing geckos in this NFT social adventure club, each with its own heroic backstory. Rather than engaging in a bloody struggle, these former soldiers have opted to employ the perilous means of spaceship racing to settle political differences. There are 4 factions of gecko racers in the game: Allura, Targari, Martu, and Barada. Having a Galactic Gecko NFT gives you access to giveaways, sponsored meetups, exclusive items, and even more advantages in the future. Over $47 million worth of geckos has been traded since the project's start. We go next to Cosmic Condos. Solana's blockchain powers this collection of 3,333 distinct Mars homes. The cartoon images are amazing and really detailed. To purchase unique Cosmic Condos or mystery boxes, holders of staked condos receive space gold. For example, the Acid Jungle region earns 200 space gold each day, whereas Nuclear Glacier earns 300. The amount of space gold earned every day depends on the property's location. It's possible to keep thousands of randomly generated 24 by 24 pixel monkeys on the Solana blockchain now, thanks to the Solana Monkey business, also known as SMB. Access to a members-only wallet with a potential on-chain voting system, and access to the Monk DAO, the first NFT DAO on Solana, are among the benefits of SMB. Over $107 million worth of Solana Monkey Business tokens have been traded since the project's introduction. We think Solana Monkey Business might be a far-reaching NFT initiative, like the Bored Apes or the CryptoPunks of Solana NFTs. On the Solana Monkey Business Marketplace or Magic Eden, you can purchase these NFTs. Finally, we have the Degenerate Ape Academy to finish up the first half. There are 10,000 NFTs in this group on the Solana blockchain. Students at the Degenerate Ape Academy learn to make friends, eat crayons, and engage in other morally repugnant behaviors in an environment free of rules. The traits and rarity of each NFT is what sets them apart. The Academy's 137 qualities are divided into 7 categories, ranging from common to mythic. As a whole, the rarity levels at Degenerate Ape Academy range from common to mythic. The Degenerate Ape Academy can be found on Magic Eden, and Phantom and Soulflare are both sponsored by the Solana wallet. Well, hello there! We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. The Boryoku Dragonz is next on our list. There are a total of 1,111 dragon NFTs in this collection on Solana, each of which generates a Boku coin for its owners as a source of passive income. Token holders will be able to use various unique features, including daily token airdrops, a breeding game, and token burning mechanics in this project. NFT holders of Boryoku Dragonz earn 7 Boku tokens per dragon each day. The current value of the Boku token is $4.50, which means that holders are making $31.50 per dragon per day. The Boku token can only be used to breed and hatch baby dragons and other creatures. 2 Boryoku Dragonz and some Boku are required for breeding, which results in a dragon egg that can be hatched with 350 Boku. According to the Boryoku Dragonz team, governance behind the Boku token is being studied using economic theory and statistical modeling, with simulations being undertaken to find a balance between supply and demand. The developers of Boryoku Dragonz have also bought land in the metaverse game The Sandbox as part of their ambition of expanding out Boryoku Village into a Boryoku-verse reality. You may buy a Boryoku Dragon on Magic Eden. Prices have dropped to as low as 148 Sol. Moving on to Blockstars, a very communal, deeply immersive, and fascinating music management simulation game on the Solana blockchain. The characters are 3D-shaped blocks with different musical instruments. We like this project so much that we don't even want to post about it online. The NFTs only have to be kept in a wallet for the time being. As a result, you will receive 30 roll tokens per Blockstar approximately every 30 minutes in the wallet where they are currently stored. Then there's Pesky Penguins, a deflationary collection of Solana blockchain NFTs featuring pixel graphic penguins. There were 8,888 penguins in this collection. However, there are currently only 8,588 penguins available. This is because of a process called the Snowball, devised by the company's developers to burn NFTs, eliminating the most affordable penguins from circulation. Pesky Penguins will no longer be available to purchase using the Snowball, an NFT buyback and burn mechanism that simultaneously increases the floor price. Due to its graphic style and NFT burning, Pesky Penguins holds a lot of potential for NFT investors. Because of the token burn function of cryptocurrencies like Binance Coin, the value of Snowball NFT has risen, making it an extremely intriguing investment. If you're looking to make a long-term investment in NFTs, the Pesky Penguin set is one to watch. One of our favorites in Solana is next. Akuma no Neko, the first collection in the Akumaverse, is now available to you in its full 1,555-piece glory. The Akumas will reward you with Hono tokens every day if you stake them. In 24 hours, each Akuma will produce around 5 Hono. Once you've accumulated 300 Hono, 1 Gen 2 Akuma can be generated. After that, Hono will see its stats inflated by 50% per month. Gen 2 may now be generated with 450 Hono. Finally, we have Thugbirdz on the roster. The Solana blockchain hosts a collection of 3,333 randomly produced Thugbirdz as part of this NFT project. Chains, smoking style, face tattoos, shades, and positions within the gang are just a few of the unique characteristics of these gangsta birds. The Thugbirdz gang has 4 distinct roles. The rarer the Thugbird, the higher its level. Thugbirdz are known for listening to old-school hip-hop, and that's another intriguing attribute of the Thugsbird. Nas, Tupac, and Mobb Deep are among their favorite rappers. A profitable NFT collection on Solana has turned out to be Thugbirdz. The mint price was 1 to 3 Sol, and the current floor price is 65 Sol, an increase of 21 to 65. Solanart and Digital Eyes both sell Thugbirdz. Thugbirdz are currently selling for at least $11,000 at 65 Sol. Thugbirdz can still be profitable for new investors despite the current floor price, especially if they complete the planned initiatives soon. Great job! You've now learned about these promising NFT projects. Since Solana and NFTs are becoming increasingly popular, we're excited to see how they turn out. You could be sitting on a huge windfall as long as you have some Solana NFTs. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is Crypto Talks, and we'll see you in our next video.